Mensuration. This is the chapter of maths, and why mensuration is needed. Mensuration is for any area or perimeter we want to find. As a for square, if we want to find the area of this square, what we have to do? There must be a formula. So we can put all the values of it with measuring time. Measuring line is length and breadth you can measure and it multiply, that it becomes a square, that is area. What about the perimeter? Perimeter is the boundary of that land. Okay, these are 4 and all are equal as it is a shape of square. So perimeter will be 4 into a, one side of the land. This is for the square. Okay, now if land is rectangle, if your floor is rectangle, and if you want to make tiles, tiling is done, we want to find the area of tiles. Without finding the area of tiles, we can't buy the tiles. So to buy tiles, we must have the first area. Area, what it is? A into B. A is the side and B is the another side. If we multiply both the sides, it becomes an area. And what about the walls? If we want to find out the walls of this room, we have to 2 into A plus B. This is for rectangle. And if the land or anything is in the form of a triangle, what we will do? About the area, it is 1/2 base into height. Base is the base of a triangle and the height is the top side to bottom side of the triangle. Now if we want to find the triangle perimeter, it must be A plus B plus C. All the sums of the side becomes a triangular perimeter. So it is equilateral triangle. Now fourth is the right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, one angle is 90. Okay, so this angle is 90 and the base, so 1/2 base into height is the area. What about the perimeter? Perimeter is equal to all the side sums. For isosceles triangle, all the side equals, so it must be 1/2 base into height is the area and perimeter is 3 into A. For parallelogram means the rectangle but it is not having the right angle. Okay, in this A into height we have to take. What is the A? Is the longer side of this A or this A, and the height, this is not the B but it is height. We have to calculate the height and A into H is become the area. For perimeter you have to 2A plus B. 2 twice means A of P. This 2 into 2, this becomes the perimeter. For rhombus area we find, so we must have to be calculate first the diagonals. Diagonal means end to end diameter distance. So this is D1 and this is D2. 1/2 D1 into D2. Both diagonals multiply, divide by half. It becomes an area. What about the perimeter boundary? It becomes a 4 into A. 4 side into A. For trapezium, if the shape of your land or garden or any other land where we want to area, so it's a 1/2 height into A plus B. A and B are both different shape. So this A and B should be added and then multiplied by height and divided by 2. For perimeter, that is the boundary, we must plus sum of A, B, C, D. Now for a kite shape. If it is a kite shape, we must have the two diagonals D1 and D2. This must be multiplied and divided by 2. It becomes an area of this kite. What about the perimeter boundary? It is twice A plus B. If the shape of your land or farm or garden or anything is pentagonal, so we must have the area is equal to 1/2 H. H is the centered point distance and N is the number of sides. This is 5. So it becomes n is 5. Okay. In this it is 5. For hexagon it becomes 6. Heptagon it becomes 7. So here it is 5. So 5 into A is the perimeter. This way we can find the area of different type of shapes easily. Perimeter also,